Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Joyroute-jojo. In today's video, we discuss about remote help. For an IT administrator, for the enrolled and non-enrolled devices, if they want to take it remote, we can use this application, we can use this tool. It's a cloud-based solution to take the system remote. It can be used for both the enrolled devices in Intune and non-enrolled devices in Intune. How to configure remote help, what license is exactly required for this, and how it works. All that we are going to discuss in this particular video. All right, so first let us discuss about the license. Presently, remote help is an add-on service in Intune. Presently, it is not available with Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 licenses. You will have to purchase it as an add-on. Like as you can see here, I have purchased Microsoft Intune Remote Help trial version as an add-on. In this way, you will have to purchase remote help as an add-on presently. But as per Microsoft official documentation, which is for 2026, Microsoft 365 pricing and packaging update, according to this particular document that discuss about the changes to Microsoft 365 Suite and standalones effectively on July 1st, 2026. According to this particular document, as per the document, they say this new capability, which is the additional features which they are providing with the E3 and E5, remote help also is part of that. That new capabilities will begin to roll out in June 2026. Customer will receive 30 days notice in message center before the update become available in their tenant, and rollout of the following feature will be complete by August 1st, 2026. That's what officially they have declared it. So from 2026 August onwards, this will be available in E3 and E5 according to this particular document. And is there any changes? Will it be available in GCC? Will it be available in India? That again, it depends. That will be clear in future. But as of now, it's an add-on service. It's not part of E3 or E5. So yeah, the trial version is available. You can just purchase Microsoft Intune Remote Help trial and you can start using this. So once you purchase the trial, you can go to the tenant administration, and under the trial administration, you can see remote help here. And under settings, presently this will not be enabled. Presently it is enabled, but by default this will be disabled. So as I have the license and I have come here under settings and I click on configure, here you by default this will be disabled. You get an option to enable it. Then they are asking allow remote help to unenrolled devices. So for Windows and Mac devices, enabling this option will allow help to devices that are not enrolled with Intune. Even if the device is not enrolled with Intune, you can take such devices remote if you are allowing it here. So I am allowing to take remote help application to take this end user devices in remote. Disable chat, no, I want the chat for remote help, so I am enabling that. So this is these settings I have already done it. So once you have done with the settings, the remote help will be enabled. And here under remote monitor, you will be able to see the current active sessions, if anything, total sessions, and all those details will be available here. All right, now let us see how we can download this remote help, how we can install, and how exactly it works. So you can download the remote help from this particular link, aka.ms download remote help. You can copy this and paste it in any of the browser and just click on enter. This will ask you to download the remote help installer. So I just save that. So it start downloading. It takes another 28 seconds to download it. So it is just downloading the remote help installer. Yes, the download is over. So what I do, I just go to the downloaded file and I start installing it. Just right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. It's very simple. Just click next and install that. After installation, you can come here and search for the remote help. Just click on that. It will ask you to log in with the company's organization user ID and password. As I have already logged in with my organization user ID and password, it is giving me this page. Once logged in, you will get this particular page. If you want help, then if you giving help, then you get the security code. If you click on get security code, you get the code. And if you are requesting for, if you want to get help, you will have to enter the code that is given by the IT admin. So get help is as a user, you are getting help from the administrator. Give help, you are an administrator and you are giving help to the end user. And it is same as Quick Assist. If you have worked with Quick Assist, this is almost same to the Quick Assist, and you can take the system remote and help the end user their Intune related issues or whatever issues they are facing in their machines. You can help support them. So this is how remote help works and how you can configure that in your tenant, in your Intune admin center. And these are the lessons required for this. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the other video. Till then, goodbye.